go crazy, berserker.
Spread the load. Take it away. Back-to-back wins for Chris.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a few weeks since I uploaded. To be honest with you, I just didn't want to tell any more stories. I just wanted to get some live action, to get some entertainment for everyone. That's not just me sitting and talking to the camera. So today we're going to get the car fired up, the first fire up of the season. Get it loaded up onto the trailer, and we're going to try to get it out to Longton Fabrication so we can start making the changes for the 2023 season. I'm not too sure if we're going to get it out there tonight, depending on the roads, if they dry up. But however, I'm going to get it fired up, loaded up on the trailer, and strapped down and ready to get it out there so we can start making the changes for the 2023 season. I'll show you a little clip here of what it looks like. Now that I'm done that, sweating my ass off out here as it's really warming up, we're gonna get the car fired up. So I guess we'll check the oil, make sure everything looks good, and then we'll get her fired up. So here we go. Everything looks all right, so let's hope everything goes good here and we'll get this thing fired up. She's alive. All right, we got this girl pulled out. Most of it's cleared out. As you can see, driveway's starting to clear up, so that's good. Now our next project is to get this trailer dug out. And yes, I keep my trailer in my backyard. I live in the city. I know it's ghetto, but kind of forms as a deck in the backyard in the summer as well. But we don't spend much time back here because we're either out racing or sea doing. So yeah, let's get this dug out a bit and pull it out. All right, we got the trailer all loaded up. Now it's time to get the car on the trailer, get it strapped down, and yeah, we'll go from there. Right, she's all loaded up. Just got to strap her down. Definitely gonna have to take it for a bath before I bring it out to Longton Fab. Thing is absolutely filthy. I never even cleaned it when we got back from North Carolina back in December. Dig or die. There's actually a bunch of shit all over here from that event. Definitely needs some cleaning. Just give it a quick spray off before I take it out to Bose. But yeah, Jesus, that's disgusting. All right, so we'll get her strapped down and hopefully get her out there tonight.
A few hours later.
I'm definitely gonna need to get a light for this camera. Jeez. Anyways, roads are good, so we're gonna take the car to the car wash and then head out to Bose, so stay tuned. Alright, we got the car all cleaned up. We're at the gas station now, gonna fill the truck up and then grab some Timmy's and then we'll be headed out to the shop. We'll catch you out there. Alright, we made her out. I really need to get a light for this setup, but there she is, so we'll get her unloaded and get her in the shop. Say hi, bro. You wanna say hi? Well, there's Bo there. Hey. All right, so we got the car in the shop. She's already here, so if you want to follow this guy, if you want to follow along, we're gonna start getting to work on her. So yeah, subscribe, and then we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.
We're gonna burn it down. burn it down. We gon' burn it down. Burn it down.